Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart yesterday, went to my grandma's house yesterday, the Walmart over there. I found the 2025 Podium Crasher, guys. Hot Wheels Monster Truck, new 2025. Name, Podium Crasher, Truck Type, Pickup, Strength, Unbeatable Engine, Crash Attack, Trophy Dash, Clash. There's the back of it, of course, we know the back. I need a few of these still, so I'm not complete with this case yet. Further ado, let's go and get this open. Just playing, guys. So, okay. Look at this, guys. Look at the metal flake. There it is, guys. The Podium Crasher. The skull and crossbones on the tires. The battering ram. Podium Crasher 68. Hot Wheels, the purple metal flake. A little bit of grill printing there. Yellow beadlocks. Black rims. Yellow roll cage. Roll cage looks like a robotic, like metal. There's back of it. 68 Hot Wheels. Black motor, black chassis, which is nice. So this is a cool truck, I like it. And I found a Spin Master as well. Peace out, guys, hope you enjoy.